In this video, we will explain how to solve one-step equations with division or fraction. If you find this video helpful, please support me by subscribing. Feel free to comment below with any questions or any other topics so that I can make more videos you will benefit from. Let's get started. Question 1. We have x over 3 equals 7. There are two methods we can solve this, so I'm going to put them side by side, and whichever one you find it easier to understand or to remember, go for that one. Okay, so for this one, the main goal would be to get rid of the fraction we have. So to get rid of the fraction, we need to times the denominator, which is the number on the bottom of the fraction. So I need to times by 3. So whatever I do to the left of the equation, I need to do it to the right hand side of the equation so the equals remain consistent. So now left hand side, 3 and 3 cancel out. I'm left with just x. Right hand side, 7 times 3 equals 21. So this is the first method. Second method will be the triangle method, which means with any fractions, you can put them into a triangle. The numerator, which is the number on top of my fraction, will always go on the top. So that's my x. And then I have the other two numbers. One is 3, one is 7. So the 3 and 7 remain the same level, so they are in multiplication. So x equals 3 times 7. So the main goal is whatever I'm looking for, I look for the other two numbers. So x on the top, the other two numbers on the bottom. So x equals 3 times 7. So that's our question 1. Question 2, x over 2 equals 5. Again, I'm going to use both methods. Method 1, get rid of my fraction by times by 2 both sides. 2 and 2 cancel out. I have x equals 5 times 2, 10. Method 2, triangle method. Number of the fraction on the top goes to the top of my triangle, and then I have 2 and 5. That's my multiply, so x equals 2 times 5, which is 10. Question 3. Method 1. So equation this time we have 18 over x equals 6. The methods remain the same. That means if I want to get rid of the fraction, I need to time it by x. So time by x both sides. X cancel out on the left hand side. So I have 18 left. Right hand side I have 6x. Then to get rid of the 6, to solve x, I need to divide it by 6 both sides. So now 6 cancelled out. I'm left with x on the right hand side, and left hand side I have 18 over 6, which is 3. So x equals 3. Now have a look at method 2, triangle method. Number on top of my fractions 18 goes on the top, and then I have x and 6, which means if I want to solve x, the relationship here is 18 over 6, so that's my division here. So x equals 18 over 6, which is 3. So that's method 2. Let's try one more. Question 4. 72 over x equals 9. So method 1, I would have times by x both sides. Then x cancelled out on the left hand side. 72 equals 9x. Then divided by 9 both sides. Cancel on the right hand side, which leave x on its own. The left hand side I have 8. So 72 over 9 equals 8. So x equals 8. Method 2 again. Triangle method. Number on top of my fraction goes on the top. That's the 72. Then I have x and 9. Again, to work out x, that's 72 over 9. So x equals 72 over 9. That means it's also 8. It makes no difference how you put the two numbers underneath. So I can do 72 on the top, then 9 and x the other way around. That's also correct. Again, if you want to work out x, you do 72 over 9 equals x. Again, x still 8. Last one, question 5. So this time, slightly different, but the principle is the same. 11 plus 5x over 8 equals 7. Again, times denominator, both sides by 8. Cancel. Left hand side, 11 plus 5x. Right hand side, 7 times 8 equals 56. Then we minus 11 both sides. So left hand side, 11's gone. I left with 5x. Right hand side, 56 minus 11 equals 45. So now divided by 5, both sides. 5 is gone, left with just x equals 9. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. The triangle method also works. Whatever's on the top of my fraction goes there. So 11 plus 5x on the top. And then I have an 8 and 7 here. So that's a multiply. Again, same principle. 11 plus 5x equals 7 times 8, which is 56. And then the same as what we did earlier. Minus 11 both sides. Now we have 5x equals 56 minus 11, 45. Then divided by 5 both sides. Cancel. So x equals 9. So whichever method you find easier, go for that one. That's all for this video. If this video helped you in any way, please give me a like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Comment with questions or topics that I might be able to help you with in future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.